What's up, YouTube? Once again, you're in the kitchen with Paul. Today, we're gonna do something old school. But first, I want to give a shout out to my sister. You know, she was the one that made this apron for me. And on Father's Day, she said, it's time for you to start looking like a real chef. She got me the hat. So now I got a couple of hats to wear along with my apron. We gonna get this thing going good. So today, what we got going right here, y'all know what that is? That's a cast iron skillet. And in that cast iron skillet, it's heating up right now. Got it on the fire already. It's heating up right now. But on that cast iron skillet, we're going to be doing the sirloin steak. Yes, sir. In the kitchen with Paul today, we're doing that steak. Let's go. Okay, so our cast iron skillet has been heating up for about almost 10 minutes. And what we want to do is, now that it's heated up, see, cast iron holds heat magnificently. We're going to put that oil in there. See how hot that cast iron is already? And we're going to take this steak. Oh boy. Ooh, wait. Okay, so our sirloin steak is cooking in that cast iron. What I always tell you, don't play with your meat while it's in the pan. When it's ready to be turned over, when that crust gets on that meat and it's ready to be flipped over, it is going to release from the pan. Okay, YouTube, our steak has been going for about 4 or 5 minutes. I want to show you something. You see that? You see how that meat just lifts up off of there? That means it's ready to be turned over. You see that? Now look at that fabulous crust that you have on there. You may say, what am I doing right now? The edges of my steak were starting to curl up, but I want the other side to have a sear on it, just like the first side. So you take a pot, and you take the bottom of that pot, and you just press that meat down, so that that meat surface can adhere to that cast iron. And what that does is it lays it down flat, and you're able to get a nice sear on that other side of the meat also. Okay, YouTube, what I've done is I'm going to make some potatoes, some fried potatoes to go with my steak. So what I'm doing right now is I have my potatoes cut up in some water. They're boiling in the water to halfway cook the potato, so it doesn't take so long in the frying pan when we fry them up. So we put some salt in the water, and what we're going to do now is we are going to drain the potatoes and let them sit out until we're ready to cook them. Okay, we're not done with that pan yet. We put some more oil in there. We don't want that garlic to burn up. Our potatoes that we have drained, I'm going to put our potatoes in there now. When our potatoes cook down, we can have them. They're not going to cook by themselves. We got some scallops. We got some shallots, and we got some scallions. We got the rest of that garlic. I'm going to put all that in there. And of course, we have to get some butter. Put our butter in there. We're going to season it with our triple play. And put a little garlic powder. And put some seasoned salt. Some onion. You're going to finish it off with a touch of oregano. And here's the finished product, YouTube. Our sirloin steak, cooked medium well, and our roasted potatoes, steak and potatoes, nothing better, nothing greater, all cooked in cast iron. Alright YouTube, that's it. Steak and potatoes, all cooked in cast iron. We've cleaned up our cast iron pan, and we're making sure that the oil doesn't get rancid by burning it off in the pan. Once that's done, we allow this pan to cool down for about an hour. We can put it away. If you like this recipe, if you like the way that we used our cast iron cooking our sirloin steak and our roasted potatoes, then please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, click that bell to make sure that you get alerted each and every time that you're back in the kitchen with Paul. Always, always, always keep God first in your life. Love your family, and of course, love yourself. I'm Paul. Peace, y'all.